Here's the beast that we're changing out today. 25-ton train unit. Kind of lucky that the electrical's on the outside of the unit. We'll find out how lucky we are with the gas pipe. This is a really big, long building, so crane's gonna have to set up over here off of this roof. Well, we got it all unhooked. This thing had like 10 thermostat wires going to controls that are no longer used. They had the IPL control box that we're not putting back, control board. They had a sensor going to the contactor, sensor going to the blower motor, sensor going to the inducer motor, sensor going to the economizer. We got freaking a 4-wire bundle of stat wire we got to pull through the unit, and that's not even mentioning the stuff over. See how this goes. Old one's out. Got the new curb adapter in. I just about waved to this guy for help. He's a cardboard cutout. He goes, I need some electrical wire. By the way, it's not enough that we're on one roof. We've also got to go around to the backside and climb up another roof to get where we've been working at. And it's hot. Alright, done with the massive unit. We just got to put a drain on it. But we don't have 1-inch PVC, so we're going to have to figure that out. But that's what it looks like.